going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some different type of news today. So some exciting news and some not so exciting news. Over the past couple months, I've been debating and contemplating selling the Tahoe. Might be a shock to some of you guys. Maybe it's not. Either way, I've made the decision to list this thing for auction on bringatrailer.com. I'll go ahead and put the auction listing once it's live, once this video's up, into the description below. But yeah, so not really an easy decision to make, right? Because I didn't really pay anything for this thing other than buying a t-shirt. It was a life-changing experience, right? It's just a one-off experience to win something like that. So it's a little difficult to ponder on and to try to really figure out if I wanted to or not. But ultimately, I made the decision to sell it, to give it to a better home. Here in Florida, where I'm at currently, I can use the Tahoe. I can't use it to its full potential, but yeah, it's such an awesome truck, and it's really a little painful to be listing it, but it'll be for the best in my opinion. So as you know, we have the 68 Charger project that's taken up basically all of my time and all of my funds, right? So I don't really have the time to tinker or to mess around or do any of the upgrades that I wanted to the Tahoe, which is fine. So the Charger is my dream car, right? So it's going to take a lot of time, it's going to take a lot of money, and the Tahoe funds will definitely help me get a good start and some very unique items for the car itself. So like a Gen 2 Hemi, right? Those things are not cheap. If you guys know anything about Mopars, really anything from Mopar is not cheap at all. So yeah, we'll be plugging away on that thing. But yeah, it'll definitely give us the opportunity to make the Charger what I want. It's not going to be your run-of-the-mill restoration. It's going to have a lot of unique things, a lot of one-off panels, custom things here and there. Even the paint job's going to be down to, you know, a one-off paint job. Yeah, it's just time and money, guys. That's all it is. And you know, I'm only in a 2-car garage, and it's a little bit difficult just moving the Tahoe, moving everything out of the garage to move the Charger around to work as I need. And we're getting to the point where I have to do the rear frame rails, and I do not have a chassis jig or a frame jig in order to really lock the car down so it doesn't move when I'm repairing and changing all of these the rusted out pieces. So as you know, we just got the Tahoe up and running again. The LT4 high pressure fuel pump went out on it. Kind of a common thing, not really too common, but it does happen. And you know, she's running great. Everything works perfectly. There's nothing wrong with the truck whatsoever. Just got it cleaned up and just got the photos taken of it today. And like I mentioned, I will be putting the auction listing down in the description below once the auction is live, or right before it becomes live. So I'm working with Bring a Trailer. So far the experience has been very pleasurable. Really no complaints at all with that company, and communication's been great. They've been asking me a ton of questions, giving them a ton of answers, and we're currently drafting the final listing now. So I don't have a time or a date for it just yet, but it will be live for about 7 days, I believe. And there will be a reserve on the vehicle. So, I mean, if you guys missed out on your chance to own the Tahoe and you really want it, now's your chance. You know, it could be sitting in your garage or wherever you're at. So again, I'm just wanting it to go to a home that someone will use it and, you know, show it off more than I do myself. Again, I can't thank Cleetus and his crew and Justin and the Killer Performance guys, one, for building the truck, and two, doing the giveaway. It was such an experience to meet those guys and see their shop. Wish I got to meet Justin and the Killer Performance guys and shake their hand for what an awesome build they did. As you know, we've only done a couple things to it: paddle shifters, some beefy sway bars, some maintenance items, things like that. Other than that, it's just been running great. No problems with it whatsoever. And yeah, just a little painful to be posting it up, but I am excited for it, and I'm excited for it to go to a new home. Now, so once the Tahoe is sold, if I know myself as well as I think I do, we'll probably be having another project. And you might be asking, well, why get rid of one, just get another one, right? I've always wanted a particular vehicle. I'm not sure if I will pull the trigger on one or not. You'll find out in a later video if I do or not. But yeah, something else would be cool. I personally just like to continuously you know, tinker with things and modify and move and mess around and whatnot. That's just what I do, right? So Tahoe doesn't need any of that, and anything I would want to do to the Tahoe is going to cost a lot of money. Forged bottom end, or a new blower, or porting the blower, or anything like that. So again, it's just going to be taking time and money out of my pocket away from the 68 Charger, and ultimately that is the ultimate project in my mind. To me, right? It is my ultimate project. So maybe there'll be something else that replaces it. Maybe there won't be. But yeah, that's really about it. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video, you guys. A little bit different, and really can't thank you guys enough for liking and subscribing and commenting and watching our videos. So more to come on the 68 Charger, but again, now's your chance if you really wanted it. There it is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. We will see you in the next episode.